guys, welcome to my channel, Happily G. I'm Gabrielle, and today I am going to Albertsons to do a little grocery haul. If you like saving money on groceries for your family, or like Albertsons or any Safeway affiliate stores, definitely stick around and check out this video. If you need these, this is a good deal. Definitely clip this digital coupon on your card. We have so many granola bars right now, but a lot of them are included. These ones are out of stock, but there are a lot of options you can have. They'll be 99 cents. It's limit 3 one time. So you could use it with this paper coupon. They're Peelies. If you find them, then it will be 49 cents each. These are part of the Fab 5. I'm going to pick up maple and brown sugar, and this is going to be an I bought a rebate as well, so that's going to track towards that. I want to thank Couponing with Grace for this deal. These are for 2 for $6 this week, and you will want to make sure you print out the dollar digital coupons from Kellogg's website, the Kellogg's Family Rewards, and there is a $2 I bought a rebate on each one, making this completely free. There's a 25-cent I bought a rebate on this Wonder Bread, and we are wanting to make some hot dogs, so definitely pick this up for this 4th of July weekend. Chobani sent me this free coffee. I really like their cold brew. I normally don't drink coffee, and that was just a super win in my book, so definitely email them and you will get some amazing coupons. I also got one of these for the creamer. My husband really loves this vanilla flavor, so I'm going to pick this up for him. These are my favorite. They actually taste super good, so if you haven't checked them out, please try them. We need some almond milk, so I'm going to pick up just this original one. It's for $2.49. There are so many things on clearance, and this bread actually has an I bought a rebate. So it's really good. I haven't gotten croissants before, so I'm going to pick this up this time. I'm going to pick up these. These are actually the big family size ones. They're $2.99 with the Fab 5, and they're actually super good. There's a 25-cent rebate on them as well. Thank you, Couponing with Grace, for sharing this deal. These 12-ounce bags are buy one, get one free. Right now, they're on sale with the Fab 5 for 99 cents, so definitely pick up 2. These are just some of our favorite chips, so I'm going to pick these up as well. They are part of the Fab 5. So you want to pick up 3 of the Rock Stars. There's a digital coupon for $1 off 3 this week. This week, these are on sale for $3.99. I'm going to pick up this Greek yogurt for my husband. And I'm going to use this $1 off coupon to bring down the total after the store coupon for $2.99. Don't make the same mistake I did. These are on sale for $3.49 with the Fab 5. There is a $2.50 off digital coupon, so definitely clip that. And when you purchase 2, it'll be $2.24 each. I want to thank Latina Couponer on YouTube for mentioning this deal. She is in the Denver region, but we have the same deal going on this week, so definitely clip that $2 coupon when you buy 2 of these Arrowhead waters. This is a 6-pack, and if you're able to find the 8-pack, definitely pick that up because it will be a better deal since you're getting more bottled waters. My store was pretty wiped out, but then I found an end cap that had more flavors, so I definitely switched them out. They are 10 for $7 this week, so pick up 10, clip that digital coupon on your app and submit this to Ibotta, and you will be paying close to 46 cents after CRV. So I think I recorded in slow-mo. So this week these are on sale for $1.49, and you will want to pick up 2, and there is a 25-cent rebate when you pick up 2. So these are the 2 flavors that I picked up. I found creamery cheese. I am going to get 2 of them since I have 2 digital coupons for $1 off. And I think I'll get this 3 Mexican cheese one as well. I was walking down the aisle, and this is part of the Fab 5 as well, so I'm going to pick this up, and it qualifies for a rebate for 10 cents. There is a digital coupon for $1 off these blue bunnies. They're on sale for $3.99 this week. Pick them up, and then there's also an I bought a rebate for $1, so these will only be $1.99, and if you have that frozen digital coupon, you can use that, and it will only make this 99 cents. I also am picking up my free item, which is these hand sanitizing wipes. Regular price, they're $1.29. These bars are $1 each this week, so I'm picking up one to get 50 cents off. So it'll end up being just 50 cents. I finally found these layer bars by RX. So definitely, if you are needing some Ibotta rebates, you pick up 2 and you get your rebate. Here is my haul. I'm back home, and I just want to thank Couponing with Grace for reminding me about the Rockstar coupon for the Jet Puffed marshmallows, and also the Arrowhead deal was from a YouTuber Latina couponer. So definitely go check out her channel. She is in the Denver region. I will go over final costs of how much I spent on all of this. My balance was $56 that I paid. My savings was 61%. If you want to start saving money, definitely use my referral link in the description below, and start saving money for your family. There are a lot of rebates on Kellogg's this week, so definitely stack those and earn that bonus. Even with making the mistakes with the Farmland bacon not picking up 2 and the Blue Bunny loaded ice cream cones that I didn't clip that digital coupon before going into the store, I saved 61%, and Ibotta has been really slow in giving me my money, but I should be getting $11.88 for the rebates that I purchased, and $5 after hitting my Weekend Warrior bonus. Retail, this would have been $143.62, and my total that I paid in store was $56. After the rebates, this total cost for the items I purchased was $39.12, which is a fantastic deal since I got a lot of things that we will be using this weekend, and I've been craving bacon so bad.